Now, as we move forward towards this in how we invoke this, so see this question I have asked from this agent. Write the write the detailed complete code for HTML, CSS, JavaScript for a simple portfolio for James. The website should have sections for about me, project skills, etc., etc. So right now I'm asking this question for this agent to generate a response to generate a detailed complete code for HTML, CSS. And once we run this code cell, it is going to give us the response that the supervisor has started the coder, which is exactly correct. And then it has also given us the response of this, that the code to this portfolio website is here. And you can just copy and paste this portfolio website code in index.html and you will have your portfolio ready. So there is a coder agent which actually writes the code for you. And then you also have a researcher agent. So I have asked this researcher agent to write a detailed research report on radiology. And it has a recursion limit of 100. So it's going to iterate it over and over again. And you can see that this supervisor has routed this query towards the researcher agent, and you get the report in a structured format. This is the introduction to radiology. This is the history of radiology, types of imaging techniques. You have X-rays, you have ultrasounds, etc., etc. So there is a wide variety of use cases that you can utilize if you are working in a healthcare domain, if you're working in a sales domain, you name it, and you can build a multi-agent scenario for that. So that's the entire walkthrough of the theory and practical part of it.